Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your Windows edition and whether it is 32 or 64-bit. Mismatches cause wrong DLLs. Once done, create a restore point and back up the original Api-ms-win-core-synch-l1-2-0 DLL. This lets you revert. Next, open an administrator command prompt and run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair common system file corruption. Make sure to note any SFC messages. They guide whether you need manual replacement or deeper repairs. Once SFC identifies unresolved issues, you fetch the matching DLL from a trusted source that corresponds to your architecture and Windows build. Wrong versions will fail. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. This fixes corrupted dependencies behind the scenes. After dism finishes, copy the new Api-ms-win-core-synch-l1-2-0 DLL into System 32 for 64-bit or sys-WOW64 for 32-bit processes, using elevated permissions, and register it if you finish by rebooting and launching the program that threw the error. This ensures the OS loads the replaced DLL. If problems continue, reinstall the affected runtime, such as the Visual C++ redistributable, or reapply recent Windows updates, because many Api-ms DLLs come from those packages. Make sure to inspect Event Viewer and use dependency tools to locate missing or mismatched modules. These diagnostics tell you whether to roll back updates, replace other DLLs, or perform an
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.